This is ECI Link, EC Innovation's AI-powered platform for advanced machine and human translation. Getting started with ECI Link is easy. Simply upload your file to start translation. ECI Link will instantly analyze the content and identify the source language automatically. You can choose from 280+ language combinations. Enhance consistency and reduce cost by integrating your translation memory and term base. Machine translation is set as the default option to provide instant, fast results. For higher quality, you can work with professional linguists. Plus, you'll get a transparent cost estimate before starting your project. You can view completed translations directly on ECI Link, or download the translation for instant use. ECI Link ensures that the original layout and formatting of your document are preserved, delivering translation results that are ready for publication. If you need to make changes, use the integrated online CAT tool to edit and refine your machine translations without additional software. Additionally, ECI Link offers robust reporting tools that allow you to analyze localization requests by time period, target or source language, and other customizable criteria. With ECI Link, you have an efficient, expert tool designed to streamline and enhance your localization workflow, providing accuracy, speed, and adaptability for all your translation needs. Whether you choose self-service, fully managed solutions, or seamless integration with your existing tools, ECI Link adapts to your business scenarios. To find out more about ECI Link and get a free customized demo, contact us at ECI Link at ecinnovations.com.